Guys, it's Mochi or Bored Black Girl here, and today I'm going back to my roots and giving you guys 3 looks in one. This is actually really funny because my first ever YouTube video was I think 3 easy black looks, and now we are back with 3 Christmas looks. I think the first 2 are relatively easy, while the third one, you know, we get a little bit complicated, but I won't start talking too much. We're going to jump into it, but before that, it's fun to show you guys I am in the spirit of the season. But anyways, let's get into these makeup looks. We of course are going to start with a base. I will do my base off camera just to save you guys some time. If you are interested in my everyday base, I will put my everyday makeup video right here. And if you're looking for a winter base in specific, I just posted a winter makeup video in which I do my base. It is kind of the same to my everyday makeup base, but it is different. You know, it's for winter specifically. And I'll put that video right here and you guys can check that out. But I will be right back when my base is done and we can get right into the eye look. Okay, we are back and the base is done. Now let's get into this look. As I said, this is super simple. You're only going to need 2 colors, which is a gold and a green. So first we're going to go in with a gold. This is a super old palette, so hopefully y'all have something a little better, but whew, I need to get rid of this. So we're just gonna go with some gold on the top of our lid. All right, there we go with the gold. I'm gonna blend this out a bit just so it looks a little bit cleaner. Ooh, it's kind of shocking to see like the flash of gold, but I think gold is a Christmassy color. So next we're going to go with green on our under eye. All right, we have our green. Now, depending on how bright your green is, you might need to darken it, but I think that a bright green is okay because it's Christmas. You can be a little colorful. You want to clean that up just a little bit. You don't want it to go too far. Now, you don't want to pack it on too heavily on the inner corner because it is going to look a little interesting, so you want to focus it mainly, I'd say, right at the beginning of your eye, and you can just lightly brush it on when it comes to the inner corner. Alrighty, there we go. And then of course we have to go in with our mascara. You want to be careful with your mascara when it comes to the bottom of your eye, just so you don't get any on your eye line down there, because you don't want any black smudges in your green eyeshadow. Okay. And then of course, as always, I'm going to go in with my second mascara. Okay, super cute. Love my lashes. I'm actually doing a video right now where I'm using a lash serum. I think that is coming out next week Friday, so when it is out, I'll just put a little thing here, but my lashes are kind of killing it today. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and then we will be back. I just knocked something over. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll do my lips, and then soon we will be back and I'll show you guys the final look. Okay, I am back. I did do the second eye, but I did go a little heavy on the mascara, so the green is hard to see. So I think I might need to put a little bit more, but here is our first look finished. Okay. Next, it is time for our second look. So let's get into that. Okay, we are back for day 2. I really was unsure if you guys wanted to see my bare face and then base, but I decided they're here for the makeup look. Just go straight into it. So the base, here it is, and we are going to get into this look. This look is not complicated, it is easy. I keep dropping my brushes, oh my gosh. Anyways, this look is super easy, so why don't we just get into it. First, we're going to start with some red on top of our eyelid. All right, I think today I will actually be mixing my reds. So first we have the Wet n Wild color icon. We're going to use this dark red, and then we are also going to use the Rainbow YM, I have no idea, this palette, and then we're going to use this refraction color. We're just gonna mix those two. Same as yesterday, we are going to go in with some green on our bottom lash. We're going to use the same palette, the Rainbow. The green is Reflection. If you're like me, you might mess up a little bit, so you just wanna use your beauty blender and fix that, because the last thing we want is green eyeshadow flying everywhere. All right, next, to add a little bit of shine, we are going to go in with some gold in our inner eye corner. And then again on the top. And of course, you know, I have to use my favorite mascaras. Ooh. Okay, so this is our one eye done. I'm gonna do my second eye off camera just to save time for you guys, and then I will show you guys the complete face. We're back with this full face. Here is our Christmas look, our second Christmas look. I was kind of worried that the dark red wouldn't match, but really I think the dark red fits it like pretty well. But here it is up close. So far, I'm loving these look, and I'm actually a little nervous and excited for the third one, but hopefully you guys will like it. Here is the second look, and it is time for our final one. The final look is here. Okay, so I'm very excited for this final look. It is going to be a pink, red, Christmassy, glittery look. I am a little worried, of course, that will not turn out super cute, but you guys know me, I do love pink. I mean, you can tell by my blush. It's not too crazy today. That is my fault, but usually my blush is very out there. Not out there, but it's perfect for me. Okay, let me stop talking and let's get into this look. So first, you're going to start with, of course, my Rainbow 9 color pressed pigment. We're gonna go right in with this refraction. Okay, we're gonna start with the red eyeshadow right here. And of course, we're going to put it above our crease, but we're gonna try to leave the inner eye corner clean. All right, I did blow it out a bit, and now we're going to add the same red on our bottom. The same with the top. We want to put it mostly on the outer corner and try to be careful on the inner corner. We want to go a little bit closer, but not get it on the super, super inner corner. Okay, I'm back with my glitter. Now we are going to go in with this this palette. I'm sorry, it says Beauty, and that's about all I can see. So we're gonna go with that. All right, we're gonna start with this really pale pink. Okay, we have our little glitter base, and then I'm going to go in with this one. We're gonna go a little bit pinker. Okay, as you can see, I'm unsure if I want to add a little bit more glitter, but I think that I will go in with this Princessa Pearl Powder eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, it was open. Okay, I'm trying not to freak out, but it just like spilled all over my vanity. So this isn't sanitary, but I'm just gonna pick it up from my, actually I'm gonna show you guys so you guys can see. So there's that, but I'm just gonna use, I just can't believe it just all fell. I'm just gonna pick it up from my vanity and press this onto my eye. I'm a bit devastated that it just fell all over, but the show must go on. I gotta give y'all a video. Okay. And then we're going to use that same pressed powder on our bottom eyelid, right in that empty space that we left. I think I'm going to go in a little bit more back with the red. Just make sure you can see it on top. I just realized now how inappropriate this green sweater was. I didn't want to wear like the same clothes every time, and I'd already worn one of my pink tops for my other video, which is my cold girl makeup video, so I didn't want to just reuse the top. I probably should have, or worn, I have something else pink, I probably should have worn that, because this just looks, I mean, not the makeup look, the outfit looks interesting, at least to me. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that this green sweater was a good mix with this very pink Christmas look? Okay, now we're going to go back in with the LA Colors the Wet n Wild color icon, and we're going to use this red. Then we're gonna go in on our under eye, of course. Okay, here we go. Of course, we need our mascara. All right, you guys already know what it is when it comes to me, mascara. I gotta get my two favorites. started my lips off camera, but I did not finish them, so I'm going to finish them right now, and then I will come back when I'm done with the full look. Ooh. Okay, so here is what our first eye is looking like. It is not as red as I was hoping it would be. It seems that it's mostly pink, but then again, I love pink, so a pink Christmas eye look is not something that's super bad for me. Anyways, I'll be right back. I'm gonna do my other eye, and then I will show you guys the final look. And unfortunately, this video will soon be over. All right, there we go. But here is the third and final Christmas look. This one came out a lot pinker than I expected, so if you guys plan to do it, you guys can follow it the way I did it, but I would suggest probably using a redder red, or maybe even using red glitter instead of pink. Sorry, or maybe even using red glitter instead of pink. Me personally, I do love pink, so I don't really think that this look is exactly a miss for me. I think I look great. I wish I would have dressed more accordingly, or possibly chosen more Christmassy colors, but I tried my best. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe, comment down below your favorite look, or what I should have done better, or even what you did for your Christmas looks. If you hated it, then give it a thumbs down, and comment down below that I'm terrible at makeup. Sorry, that was a joke. Stupid joke, but I think that was kind of funny. I think that is all for this video. Okay, sorry, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you.